Everyone is looking for the secret to success in their life, their business, or both. If you want to be successful, you're more than likely working towards each of your desired outcomes or goals. You're looking to find the motivation, or simply what you need to do to continue to move forward in the direction to reach your ultimate work-life balance. In this podcast episode, I have a little something extra for you to consider. I want to help walk you through the possibilities you have available and achieve that secret to success in your life and your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you'll want to listen in and find out how you can get the support you need while designing your own blueprint to success. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Through this podcast, my goal is to help as many business owners as possible understand their business finances. I want to make owning a business for you easy and stress-free, and I want your business to be profitable. The first thing I want to mention today is that I want to hear from you. I'm in the process of mapping out the topics I'll be talking about on this podcast in the upcoming year, and I'd really like to hear your feedback. What additional information do you need in your business? Or is there anything that would help your business as far as your personal life goes so that you can create a positive work-life balance? I'd love for you to take a few minutes and go to financialadventure.com and email me what you'd like to hear about. I'm grateful for how many listeners I've been able to help over the last few years, and I want to continue to put out content that you want or you need to know more about. So I wanted to put out this quick episode for you so that you have some extra time to think about your success and the possibilities that you have in both your personal life as well as your business. I know there's many business owners at this time of the year who start scrambling to try to get things done. They may be trying to reach a specific goal, get their bookkeeping up to date, or they just hope to survive these next few weeks by keeping their head above water. Often, they're doing these things on their own. They feel isolated and face a lot of challenges. Does this sound like you? I know I have many solopreneurs and side hustle business owners listening to this podcast, and I want you to know that I'm always here to help. When people have a side hustle or solopreneurs who are working in their business on their own, it can be challenging to manage everything efficiently. One of the secrets these business owners reap the benefits of is having a business or life coach. When you have a coach, you work together to break down problems that you're facing and find solutions so that you can quickly move forward in your business. You don't continue to feel stuck. You get to experience what it's like to have someone listen and not only move you forward, but take you to the next level. I'm sure you're aware of how important of a role coaches play in sports. You see athletes everywhere that have coaches to get them to their peak performance. Take the Olympic athletes, for example. Many successful people invest in life and business coaches to help them reach their highest level of success as well. Could your business or life benefit from coaching in areas such as improving your self-awareness or self-confidence? Finding the potential and possibilities you have for your future, as well as mapping out a way for you to reach your attainable goals, along with the accountability that you need to carry them through? Would you like help with making overwhelming decisions that you're afraid of reaching that have a significant impact on your business or your personal life? A coach can help you move through fear and dig deeper into the excuses that you're using that are holding you back from achieving the success you really want in life, and ultimately create a work-life balance that you can enjoy. After all, your personal life and your business life are very much intertwined, and they impact each other since you are the business owner. As a certified public accountant, business strategist, and coach, I bring a wealth of knowledge to the clients that I coach. Many of my clients love that I not only have the ability to coach them, but I also have the financial background to help them find ways to create a more profitable business. These next few weeks of your business and your life are essential for you to ensure that you're setting yourself up for success, and I'm ready to help you get there. I'm opening up 3 one-on-one coaching packages to help you through the end of the year. When you sign up for one of these coaching packages, you'll receive private coaching calls where I'll coach you on your life, your business, or both if that's what you need. I've coached clients on topics such as goal setting, what's holding them back, decision making, managing time, overcoming perfectionism, conflict management, self-sabotage, what's stopping their business growth, indulging in disbelief, building confidence, worthiness, believing in yourself, being intentional, taking massive action, and more. When you work with me, I coach you in these areas and provide insight, perspective, progress, and results. Do you know what's possible for you? Do you know how you can reach these possibilities? Do you have what it takes to believe you can accomplish these goals? We work on all of this together. It's simple and achievable right now, but I only have 3 one-on-one coaching packages available at this time. I know they'll go fast. The demand for these at this time of the year is high. Don't spend another year wishing that you had a life or business coach to help you succeed. This is your year, and I'm here to make it a reality. I'm happy to go over all the details with you in a consultation session. You can schedule a session with me by going to financialadventure.com, or if you're ready to grab your spot right now, you can email me and let me know before they're gone. I only open a few one-on-one coaching packages throughout the year, so if you're listening to this podcast episode at a later point in time, you can inquire to see if I have any openings. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.